Hey guys, David Rishka here in Phoenix, Arizona, and today was the second day when the temperature outside reached over 100 degrees. So summer is back, and it's gonna be nice and hot for the next 5 months. So thanks God we have electricity here, and the AC blowing, wherever we go. But I was gonna share a story with you today. I'm one of those people who almost every day goes to Starbucks. Uh, I don't want to admit it, but I guess I'm getting addicted to Starbucks coffee, and I don't know what it is, but not only that it gives me energy, but it makes me feel really good. Like when I drink it, I'm like, life is good, man. Life is really good. I feel like I'm on drugs or something. So I started going there actually a few months ago, and I usually go through a drive-through. And today I was standing behind a car. It was a lady buying a coffee, and I saw her in the rear view mirror. She was kind of cute, and we looked at each other just for a couple of seconds, and then when she finished her order, finished paying, she drove off, and then I pulled up at the window, and the the guy who was gonna charge me told me that the lady paid for my coffee. So I was kind of shocked because that never happened to me, and I just wondered why would somebody pay for my coffee, a stranger. But I remember how it made me feel. I kind of wanted, I wish that I could like go to her and say thank you, and I had the feeling like I would like to do something nice for her, to repay. But she just drove off, so I didn't have a chance. But it made me realize how you know sometimes somebody does something nice to you, and you have this feeling like you want to give back, and I love when people do it, and it has something to do with spreading out love, caring for each other. And that's why a lot of online marketers, they like creating a valuable content, because there's a lot of people out there who have like all sorts of problems, and if you can be one of those people who can solve their problem, then they will feel like they want to have more information from you. They will follow you, they will sign up for your blogs or videos or whatever, because if you help them out, they will subconsciously have this pleasant connection with you, and they will have the urge to know more, of what you are teaching or promoting online. But a lot of people get stuck because when they start with online marketing and creating content for other people, they feel like they are not really in the place to do that, because they don't necessarily have the results yet, because they just started. But it doesn't really matter what kind of results do you have and how much money you are making with the product that you are promoting or the system that you are promoting. All that matters is the content that you are providing for other people. All that matters is if you are able to help somebody out and educate other people or do something for them that they need. Like for me, I felt like I needed a coffee and I got it for free, which was kind of cool. I saved a couple bucks, but I wanted to do something for other people, and there was nobody behind me in that line, so I couldn't even buy the coffee for somebody who would stand behind me, which would be kind of cool, to create this chain reaction. But it is what it is, and that's why I like the online marketing business. To create valuable content for people, help other people, succeed, and that's one of the greatest feelings when you see somebody who is doing the same business and you help them out, with something that they struggled, and now they see that they are having great results, started making money, or learning the business, the system, and figuring out how it all works. So it's extremely rewarding, and it makes you feel really good, when you can help somebody out and it's working out for them. But anyways, this is the short video that I wanted to record for you guys, and I hope you have a great day. I hope that where you are is not as hot as over here. Today was 102 here in Phoenix, and just chilling out at the house for the moment, cooling off. But I'll be in touch with you in a day or two, and I hope to see you on the other side, my friend. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate or be afraid to contact me. I'm gonna leave all of the information below this video, and I hope to see you on the other side. Aloha.